The tournament is definitely heating up. The second round is going on, and the fixtures are getting closer together. Like people who are having the same similar rating are starting to play against each other. And I was glancing through the games, and a few games again got my attention. The first one was this heartbreaking stalemate. So position is completely winning for Arivir. Now the correct way to win would be just to go after the king here. Either take this pawn, put pressure on the pawn by playing rook e8, take the pawn, get the rook up and do the queen rook checkmate. Or get queen closer to the king with support of the bishop or the knight. That is what you were supposed to do here, right? But Arivir here played bishop takes pawn, going after a pawn that does not even matter. And then king moves, and he played bishop check, king moves, rook a8, king moves to g3, rook a7, which I don't really understand. He could have just given a check directly. King moves and then rook a3. And it's a stalemate. So main lesson here to understand is there is no reason to go behind the pawns. When you're completely winning, you do not have to take the pawns that are on the other side of the board. Because if there was a pawn in this position, imagine in this position there was a B pawn or a C pawn. It's not a stalemate because the C pawn could move. So having pawns is actually bad for the person who's losing, because stalemate chances are very less if there are pawns. I mean, it's practically impossible. But since there is nothing left, Arivir had to contend with just half a point instead of a full point, a draw instead of a win. Now here we have an upset. Rutvik 1203 playing against Arav 998 played. Rutvik played. Arav has just played knight e5. All right. Now you could see that he is making a threat. But Rutvik played the next move super fast. He played it in 9 seconds and he just pushed the pawn. It looks like a natural move, but the problem here is he did not check Black's last move. What is Black's idea? Black moved from knight d7 to e5. He must have some plan, right? And he just pushed. And you can see what happened next. Black just plays knight f3 and the queen is gone. He played king and the knight took the queen. Right now material is equal, but after this white again played rook d1, allowing rook d6. Here Rutvik actually disconnected. His internet got down and he disconnected. But black is completely winning here. Rook d6 just picks up the bishop also, and black wins. The third game that I would like to show you is this one. Here Vaishnavi played a neat trick. You can see that queen's here, king is here. They are in a forking position, like knight can come here and fork both of them. But there's a black knight defending it. So Vaishnavi just played knight takes pawn. Pawn is free because black should not take, right? If black takes, you can see what comes. Adrit did not see it. He just took the knight, thinking it's a free piece. But then came knight e7, and the queen is gone. So you have to be aware of knights and how they can give fork to other pieces. So when your opponent gives you a piece, just make sure it's actually free before you take it. You can see that here, knight into e5 was played within 20 seconds. So he did think a little, but he did not see the threat after knight moves. So that's about it for the second round, and we're going to have a third round. So